Catherine.
Hi, Catherine.
And we're going to start off with an almost €1 billion loss for one of Europe's former star companies. Tell us more.
Yeah, this is about Nokia, the handset maker, obviously. They had been expecting to post a loss for the first quarter, but it's actually been double their expectations. They've posted a loss of €929 million. So, as you said, almost $1 billion. Yes, that's definitely a huge loss. Yes, another signal, really, that this former king of the mobile phone markets is really floundering, and it's amid a tide of smartphones. They just don't seem to be able to keep up. We can get more analysis on this from a specialist in all of this. Magnus Rehle from Greenwich Consulting in Stockholm joins us now. Magnus, thanks very much for being with us. Now, firstly, Nokia has been so late getting into smartphones, and it's only shifting a fraction of the smartphones its competitors are. Is it even possible for Nokia to claw its way into the market at all?
No, I think they're in very much trouble now, and I think maybe we're seeing the rise and now also fall of a giant in the industry, and I think the fireman who is trying to put out the fire, Mr. Elop, is in big trouble, and more trouble now than 1 year ago where he promised actually to come back. And so far we've seen very little progress, and rather the opposite.
Okay, Magnus, looking at the company's prospects overall after all these dramatic results, is Nokia now staring into the abyss?
Yes, I think if Elop is saying that he was on a burning platform 1 year ago, he's on another one now. And maybe he hasn't been able to put out the fire. And I think they are actually going down too rapidly. And I think also maybe the shareholders and the board is now considering whether the choice of Microsoft as a partner was the right one. And I think I was pretty skeptical to that one year ago when they did it. And I think it's time again to reconsider whether Android couldn't be a choice. And I don't know if it's too late for them to do that, but obviously end users are not very happy with the platform that they are using. And I think also they have a problem to find their role in the value chain, either to compete with the Chinese on the sort of low-end smartphones.
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt you. We have to leave it there. That's Magnus Rehle from Greenwich Consulting in Stockholm. Thanks for joining us.